Today we're at EVS HQ in Belgium taking a quick look at a little something called With how much is at stake in sports these days, venues are more and more working with virtual referees. That's why EVS wants to bring its broadcast expertise into officiating. So this is Xeebra, a multi-camera review system built to give operators full control of the replay to ensure everyone is playing on an even playing field. Now, let's jump from basketball to a soccer match to show you just how this works. So how do you actually drive this thing? Well, you got a good old mouse and keyboard, of course. You got 2 touchscreen controllers, and we have our reliable B-Play system, which of course, always more fun to twist the dial. Now on your left you have your multi-viewer, which you control all of your ingest cameras, which can scale from 4 to 8 to 16, really your decision. And on the right, this is where you control what you're actually pushing to broadcast or to the referee on the pitch. So I think I just spotted a foul there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pause, we're gonna twist to go back in time. And what I can do here on the left monitor is select what screens I wanna push. So let's go with these 2. I think they're gonna give me a good idea of what happened. Now that I have them on a second monitor, I'm going to be zooming in, both of them, to have a nice point of comparison. And we're going to twist to see in slow motion exactly what happened. So now that we have a better idea, we can zoom even further, we can select what's happening, we can make an event out of this, and of course, we can then push this to the referee on the pitch so that he can make the final call. Now, as the game goes on, we might want to go back and review that decision. Luckily, we saved that foul as an event. What I can do is press the last event button, and we're going to go back in time into that exact time code. And notice I call them events and not clips because of how well we've organized this. We can go back and we can modify how we did our review. So for example, I can select 2 different angles this time, push them into our broadcast, and then from there, reanalyze as much as I need. So our event system is incredibly powerful and makes it so at the end, you can of course export every single camera as their own individual clip. Xeebra is officially certified by FIFA because on top of regular replay, we have offside technology built in. So we've actually found the exact frame where a player is passing to another one where we think there might be an offside. So now that we're in analysis mode, let's go ahead and pick the furthest most player, which looks to be this gentleman right here. We can use the arrow keys to precisely center on the top left to get the best possible value here. Then we'll switch into the attack line and select each of the individual players and see if there is an offside, which now, thanks to our technology, seems quite clear that there is none. Now, an extra cool thing about Xeebra is that whilst we do have the ability to import a 3D model of your pitch manually, what we can also do, if I press the wireframe button here, is fit in the lines automatically using artificial intelligence, saving you a heck of a lot of time. And of course, with everything else that we have on Xeebra, you can then put that on your broadcast monitor and push that directly to the pitch so the ref can make the final choice. Now, in addition to our wonderful Xeebra, we have its little brother, Xeebra Insight. Running on a tablet, it's perfect for on the move, or if you're on the pitch. With a lot of the same modules, you can really get the most out of being mobile with Xeebra Insight. So Xeebra is a powerful modular solution. That's a cool thing. You can use it for pretty much anything. Something like football, baseball, rugby, motorsport, horse racing, polo, beach polo, aquatic polo, snow polo. Look, there's a lot of different types of polo. What's important is you can use it for any sport. Whether you're plugging in from remote or on a small to a very large stadium, Xeebra is going to be the perfect officiating solution for you.